Podcast intro. Hey there, listeners. Welcome back to Market Moments, your go-to podcast for the latest buzz and insights from the bustling world of finance. I'm Dusty, your host with a knack for uncovering the dirt on what's really happening in the markets. Today, we're diving into Tesla's stock. Yes, one of the most watched tickers on Wall Street. Let's get into it. Market overview. As of April 18, 2025, Tesla stock closed at $241.37. Now, that's just a smidge down, about 0.099% from yesterday's close. It paints a picture of steadiness in an otherwise wild arena. Investors watched as Tesla traded on some crests and troughs today, hitting a high of $245.65 and dipping to a low of $237.79, with an opening bang at $243.52. The trading volume was nothing short of hefty at over 83 million shares. This kind of volume tells us there's plenty of interest and perhaps a little anxiety around this equity. Key financial stories. Now, let's uncover some of the dirt around Tesla's stock performance. We're in a climate of market jitters, and a big piece of that puzzle is tariffs. Just a couple of weeks ago, President Trump rolled out hefty tariffs that rattled almost every sector here in the U.S. The tremors of these tariffs have been felt market-wide, knocking the S&P 500 down 14% from its February high. Investors are on edge, and understandably so, since the implications could shape the financial landscape significantly. Adding another layer to the Tesla narrative is their much-anticipated earnings report, set to drop on April 22nd. Investors and analysts alike are on tenterhooks waiting to see how Tesla is steering through these economic tempests and what might be on the horizon given the tariff hurdles. But the drama doesn't stop at the economic front. There's been an unsettling rise in vandalism targeting Tesla. Since the start of this year, multiple Tesla properties and vehicles have been caught in a crossfire of protests centered on Elon Musk. The term domestic terrorism has even been bandied about by the FBI concerning these incidents. It's this cocktail of challenges, economic and otherwise, that's stirring up a unique market sentiment for Tesla. Investment tips. So what does all this mean for potential or current investors? Tesla remains a roller coaster ticket for many, filled with challenges that could wallop short-term gains, but perhaps reward the patient few in the long run. If you're thinking about diving in, or even holding on to your current shares, my advice is to keep your ears to the ground regarding upcoming updates, because the market tides could shift drastically after the earnings report hits. And remember, while day-to-day fluctuations are par for the course, identifying long-term resilient performers can often lead to more rewarding avenues. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and remember that in the quest for investment insights, sometimes you have to dig deep to uncover the real dirt. Closing remarks. And there you have it, folks. Another whirlwind day in the market, dissected and served. Keep your strategy sharp and your research thorough. I'm Dusty, signing off from Market Moments. Until next time, stay savvy, stay invested, and never stop uncovering the dirt. Take care.